Hi everyone, welcome to DT's premiere where technical drawing is made simple. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to support the channel and help reach more students. Let's begin. For this video, we will be learning how to construct a triangle given two sides and one angle. So let's place the information here. So side AB is going to be equal to 7 centimeters. Side AC is going to be equal to 8 centimeters, and the angle BAC is going to be equal to 45 degrees. Now, what this is telling us is that when it says BAC, the letter that is in the middle, that is where we will be constructing the angle. Or if we see the angle symbol, which looks a little bit like that. All right. Now, first things first, we need to get our line AB, light line, 7 centimeters. Then we label A, B. Now, the next thing we know is that BAC is going to be equal to 8 centimeters. So we need to get our compass, place it at the 0 point on the ruler, and open to 8. Now it says AC. We do not know where C is, but we currently know where A is. All right. So we're going to place our compass point at A, and we are going to scribe an arc. We don't know how long this arc is going to be as yet because we have yet to construct our 45-degree angle. To construct our 45-degree angle, we go back to angle practice. All right, so this is important, and this is why it's important for you to understand how to do your angles and know how to construct them. So we need to first construct a 90-degree angle. I'm going to use the second method, which is to scribe a semicircle going from under, and then I'm coming over and I'm going to stop here. Then I'm going to place my compass point right here on the line, and then I'm going to scribe and cut to first get my 60-degree angle. Then after that, I want to place my compass point at my 60-degree and scribe and cut again. After I have cut that 60 again, I'm going to scribe, place my point right here, and then scribe. Hold on. After I've done that, I've created a 90-degree angle. Now that I have my 90-degree angle, the question did not ask for 90, so I don't need to go any higher than that. All right, I just need these 2 points here. Point 1, which is right here, and point 2 on the 90 line. And this is just for me to be able to bisect my 90-degree to construct my 45 degrees. All right, so I'm placing the compass point here. I'm going to open it up some more. Then I'm going to scribe. Then I'm going to place it on the 90. And then I'm going to scribe again. Once I've done that, I've created my 45 degree. You use your ruler and your pencil to draw that line. All right. Wherever this line meets this arc, that is line AC. And now we have pretty much done all the requirements. So we got our 7 centimeter. So let's place it here. We got our 8 centimeter, which is right here. And we got our 45 degrees. So now all we need to do is to get our ruler and pencil and complete our triangle. Then darken the important sides. So AB, BC, and AC. So this is how we construct a triangle given 2 sides and 1 angle. Let's do another one. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. BC is equal to 8 centimeters. And angle A, angle CAB, let's say CAB, is equal to 30 degrees. So the first thing we need to do is to establish the first part, which is AB, and that is 5 centimeter. So get your ruler, draw a light line 5 centimeters long. Then label A, label B. So this is done. We just did that. All right, 5 centimeter. Now the next thing we want to get is BC, which is 8 centimeter. So remember, we always use our compass and our ruler to get any side of a triangle that is not already given, which is AB. So AB would have been a flat line. You don't need your ruler and your compass for that. But for the other side, you'll need your ruler and your compass. All right. Open to 8. Keep that radius. Place it at B. And the reason why we place it at B is because it says BC. We do not know where C is. That is a mystery to us. All right. But we know where B is. So we have to place the compass point at B. We are not aware of where this point may fall as yet. So we just scribe an arc and leave it there. All right. Then the next thing we want to do, so we've completed that. The next thing we want to do is to find CAB. Once again, the letter that is in the middle, that is the one that we'll be using or constructing the angle that is given at. So we're given 30 degrees and it is at A. So the first thing we need to do is to construct our base angle to bisect, and that is our 60 degree. So scribe an arc from under the line coming over. All right. Take it up, keep the same radius. Place the point where it cuts the line, and we scribe and cut. After we scribe and cut, if you draw a line through this, this is now your 60 degree. But the question did not ask for a 60 degree, it asked for a 30 degree. So we can use these 2 points again. So this point right here, let me open it just a little bit more. That's point 1, arc 1. Point 2 now is at our 60 degree to get arc 2, which is going to cut and give us our 30 degree angle. Use your ruler and your pencil to draw a line through here, going all the way over. All right, notice I have a lot of excess right here. You can just slightly erase it to about here, so you have about this distance for your arc. Even if it's that long, it's fine as long as it's not cutting into anything else. Now this point is going to be C, and with that we have finished the entire triangle. To close it now, we're just going to draw a line from B to C, and then we label. So AB AB is 5 centimeter. The angle is 30 degrees. And BC is 8 centimeter. So we just place all the information there that we were given. And then lastly, we darken our triangle using our ruler and our compass. Pencil, sorry, not compass. That is complete. Now, this is the exact method that you would use if you're constructing an isosceles triangle. For example, AB is given at 5 centimeter, and we want to construct an isosceles triangle. Now, no other measurement has been given to you. All you need to do is to draw your line AB first, which is 5 centimeter, label AB, and try to dig in your memory and remember what an isosceles triangle is. Now, an isosceles triangle has two sides that are equal. All right? So all you need to do is to use the method of using your compass and your ruler to construct your triangle. Simple. Make AC and BC have the same length, but it has to be different from AB. So simple. Let's get this out of the way. Let's say, for example, we want BC to be 7 centimeter. This simply means that AC also has to be 7 centimeter. All right? If we want BC to be, let's say 4 centimeters, then AC also has to be 4 centimeter. So let's try that. So place your compass point at 0. Remember, when you're getting the sides of a triangle, you always use your compass and your ruler. 4, place it at A, and scribe. Place it, this is AC. Place it at B, and scribe. So now we have constructed an isosceles triangle where both sides are 4 centimeter and 4 centimeters. Then you put your 5 centimeter. All right. And there we go. That is your triangle. Remember, these two angles will be the same. That is it for this video. Have a good one.